Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace your OEM side markers with aftermarket side markers. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Grayson McTaggart, and I like making videos about my Subaru BRZ and pretty much any other car I can get my hands on. So if that sounds cool to you, be sure to subscribe down below and leave a like on the video, and that way I can continue to make content for you guys. And once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I have something really cool to release to you guys, but I can't release it until we hit 1,000 just because I really want to kind of see if you guys can hit that milestone in the next couple months. Now, without further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to install these side markers. So if you're not familiar with OEM side markers on a Subaru BRZ, they are these right here. They are orange, and I personally just don't like the look of them, and they're a little outdated. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to replace them with these. They're smoked out, and they are more of an amber. You can get white, you can get different colors, but these are way more updated. They're LED rather than the weird bulb that's in these. So I'm going to show you guys how to install them today. All you're really going to need to do this install is a Phillips head screwdriver bit, just the bit. You don't really need the actual screwdriver. It's actually best if you just have the bit, and then a flathead is not required, but it could be of some help. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to take the Phillips head bit and remove the Phillips head screw tab that is right behind the side marker in the fender lining. In order to do this, you can actually turn your wheel like I have it here, and that will give you a lot more room to work inside the fender, and it just allows you to have more access to that tab itself. What you're going to do from there is you're going to apply gentle pressure behind the side marker and pull towards yourself. Now, mine came out really easy just because it is broken, actually, and that's one of the reasons why I'm replacing my side markers. But don't be afraid to apply more pressure, and it probably won't come super easy just like mine did, just because mine is broken. If you're applying a fair amount of pressure, double check your tab, make sure everything's properly out, and then tab is all the way out and nothing is holding the side marker in. Once you have the side marker out, what you're going to see is a plug in which it is plugged into, and how you remove that is you actually twist the side marker, and that will remove the side marker cover from the bulb. Now, if you have side markers like mine, which are actually a full replacement for the bulb and the actual side marker housing, what you're going to see is this kind of connector. Now, this is actually a direct plug-in to where the bulb is plugged in. So what you're going to do is you're going to unplug the bulb from that connector, and then what you will do is plug in the connector that you see connected to your side marker. Now, if you did just buy the housing cover, it's pretty simple. You just twist it back on, and from there you're good to go. Once you have everything plugged in and wired up, you can just reassemble everything and pop everything back into place, put the tab back, put the fender lining back, and you're good to go. You do this on both sides, and then all you have to do is test the side marker by just turning on your car, turning on the lights, and making sure everything lines up properly. As you can see, these side markers are so much better looking than the stock ones. Here's kind of the comparison. These would just kind of light up. These just look so much more aggressive on the whole car. I can kind of zoom out a little bit so you can see what they look like. I'll go to the other side. I also have the other side installed as well. And again, these just kind of improve the look of the car. It really shows. It's a simple install that you can do, and it does look a lot better overall. Overall, this is a very easy, very simple install that you can do. It's very affordable. I will link these side markers down below if you guys want to pick some of these up for yourself. And it doesn't require many tools or much experience in order to do this, so I highly recommend this as a first mod or something that you can kind of change on your car just to improve the look of it. Anyways, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button because it really does help me out. Also, leave a comment down below on what you guys want to see me do next, whether it's to the BRZ or just something else in general. You guys want to see more tutorials, more vlogs, or what do you guys want to see? I want to do more of what you guys want. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.